Hey guys, how's it going? Today I have a big container, and I actually don't know if I'll fill it or not, but my goal is to make a big slime smoothie with all of my clear slimes, because that way I'll be able to play with all of them. So anyways, yeah, let's go. So yeah, I forgot to mention, but I'm doing it all in rainbow order because I thought that would be prettier. So I'm gonna be adding all of these slimes into my slime smoothie. Alright, I got all the pink ones in, and I had to wash my hands twice. Alright, now I'm going to move on to purple. Alright, I added all the purple ones, and the slime still kind of looks pink because that one big purple one was basically clear. So now I'm going to move on to the blue slimes. Alright, so I added in all of the blue slimes, and I'm debating whether I should add the yellow ones or not because I feel like it might make it look gross. But I don't know, I'll have to decide. I might mix these up first. Alrighty, so here it is, all mixed up. I'm gonna add the clear ones. This one has a little bit of glitter in it. And then I'll decide whether I'm gonna add the yellow ones or not. But I think this is really pretty so far, and I'm glad it is because my last slime smoothie was not so pretty. These two clear slimes are from my video comparing the gallon glue to the bottle glue, because a lot of people have said that the gallon glue is kind of yellow, so I just thought I would add these in. Alrighty, I added all the clear slime, and I don't know if you guys can see, but just look how pretty that little clear section is. Oh, it's so pretty. The whole slime just has all sorts of glitter in it, and I think it's going to be really pretty. So I'm going to mix in the clear slimes. Alright, I mixed everything together, and I did decide that I'm not going to add these because purple and yellow make brown, and I don't want it to be brown. So, yeah, here's the finished slime. I think it might be sticky, so I'll probably activate it, and then I will show you what it feels like. Alright, I mixed everything in, and here's the finished slime. As you can tell, it is very soft, and I really like the texture that the fishbowl beads give it. But this slime is really stretchy and glittery, and I think when it clears, it'll be a really light purple, but I will show you what it looks like when it clears. I let the slime clear and sit for a couple days, and now it is fully clear. The slime looks a little bit cloudy, but I think it's really pretty. It is a nice soft texture. It's really stretchy. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know what videos you would like to see next time. I'll see you next time. Bye.